Hey everyone, today, we're going in depth with the stylish and business class ASUS ExpertBook B9403CVAR laptop, which is ideal for corporate workers that want portability and productivity. Let's test its exceptional features, functionality, and whether purchasing it for your future work gadget is worthwhile. The ExpertBook B9403CVAR impresses with its simple appearance right out of the box. The device is extremely lightweight at just 990 grams, because of its magnesium lithium alloy shell and star black finish, which give it a premium, subtle appeal. This laptop is ideal for persons who travel frequently, such as students, business professionals, or anyone who needs portability without compromising performance, because it is only 1.57 centimeters thick. The ExpertBook has a small physical factor yet a great number of ports. 2 Thunderbolt 4 connections allow for quick image transmission, charging, and data transfer. USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A connector for attaching devices, Ethernet connectivity via micro HDMI port, HDMI 2.1 for output of high-quality video, and 3.5mm audio connector for microphones and headphones. Having these ports allows you to easily connect to a variety of peripherals whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. With a 14-inch OLED display that has a resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels, the laptop has a clear, vibrant display that is ideal for work like content creation or video editing. For producers, this is a great feature because it supports Pantone validation, which guarantees precise color rendering. Vibrant colors and deep blacks are produced by the 400 nits of brightness, and 100% sRGB color coverage, which makes images stand out, especially in creative work. Additionally, the screen has TÜV Rheinland certified blue light reduction technology, which reduces eye strain when using the screen for extended periods of time. This is important for anyone who spends a lot of time in front of a screen. With 10 cores and a clock speed of up to 5.1 GHz, the Intel Core i7-13355U CPU powers the ExpertBook. This offers more than adequate power for multitasking, regular office work, and even more demanding computer requirements. This model is ideal for business customers, as it can handle massive datasets, graphic-intensive apps, and virtual machines. Due to its 32 or 64 gigs LPDDR5 RAM, there isn't a 16 gigs option. The laptop has 512 gigs or 1 TB SSD options for storage, which guarantees quick system startup times and seamless operation. Regarding networking, it is compatible with Bluetooth 5.3 to link peripherals, and the most recent Wi-Fi 6E standard, which enables quick and dependable internet access even in congested networks. Another standout feature is the keyboard, which is spill-resistant and backlit and provides comfort and durability for extended typing sessions. Since it satisfies the MIL STD 810H military standard, it can survive a variety of challenging circumstances, such as mild drops, shocks, and moisture exposure. In comparison to earlier generations, the touchpad is larger and contains a number pad function that functions as a numeric keypad. Because of its many contemporary security features, the laptop is perfect for use in business settings. It has an encrypted data protection TPM 2.0 module. Using a fingerprint scanner to check in quickly and safely, using an infrared camera, Windows Hello facial recognition technology and support for NFC, enables card-based laptop unlocking. In addition, when you walk away from your desk, the infrared camera instantly locks the laptop, protecting your data. Depending on your workload, the ExpertBook has a battery life of up to 9 hours on a full charge. Additionally, it enables fast charging. Using the included 65-watt USB-C charger, it can achieve 100% charge in just 2 hours. For customers who require all-day work, this laptop delivers a prolonged battery life, thanks to energy-saving innovations. The laptop's Dolby Atmos audio system produces crisp, lifelike sound, which makes it an excellent tool for watching media in addition to working. Users may effortlessly control fan profiles, battery optimization, and Wi-Fi connections with programs like My ASUS, and corporate device management can be made more efficient with ASUS Business Manager. Style, durability, and power are all combined in the excellent corporate laptop that is the ASUS ExpertBook. Professionals that require dependable, portable computing will find it ideal due to its small dimension, powerful performance, and long battery life. A great option for those looking for a laptop that balances portability and productivity is the ExpertBook B9403CVAR. For more tech reviews, remember to like and subscribe to the buttons. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new laptop? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.